There is something about being near the sea that excites me. To me, the ocean is linked to the feeling of freedom. The freedom to travel to endless countries waiting to be explored. This is where it all happens for me. I'll say it again. This is where it happens. Why? Well, this is the beginning of the final leg of a journey that sees products being exported throughout the region. It took me a while to understand how important trade and exports are for the economy of Indonesia. But I've seen the benefits in real time. Among other things, I export sustainable cooking oil to nearby countries. My clients recognize the demand for sustainably produced products, so it's important that I deliver. All packed and ready to go. My industry is evolving quickly, and I know the challenges that wait. However, one thing that will remain the same is my passion for bringing Indonesia around the world. I'm Dendre Sonda, and I am an exporter.